Your menstruation can say a lot about your health as a lady. Please, let us pay attention to our menstruation, the color of the menstruation, how often you menstruate. During menstruation, what is the texture of the menstruation? Is it clotted? Is it slimy? Does it smell? So we are going to look at some of those things that you need to make sure that you take special note when it comes to your menstruation. Let's go to the first one, the color. Put it in the chat below. What is the color of your menstruation? If your color is reddish, generally that's okay. But if your color is dark and it is not from the beginning of your menstruation and also not at the end of your menstruation, then you should actually get to your doctor and your consult. Generally, menstruation can be dark brown from the beginning of your menses or at the end of your menses. But if you see that your menstruation generally is dark throughout, that could be an issue in which you need to get to your doctor and get the bottom of it. Another color is gray. Also get to your doctor and you get to the bottom of it. If your menstruation is pink in color, also get to your doctor and you'll find out what is happening. The next thing about the menstruation is scanty menses and heavy menstruation. If your menses is scanty, that is, you barely use up to 2 pads in a day, this could be signifying something very important when it comes to your health. If your menses is too heavy, that is, you use pads and you change them within 2 to 3 hours, you change your pads. 2 to 3 hours, you changing your pads. It means that menstruation is too heavy. Then you need to also consult and get help. If you menstruate above 7 days, let's say you menstruate for 10 days, 11 days, 12 days, this is also something you need to get to your doctor. Even though we have ladies who menstruate for 10 days and generally considered okay, but the problem here is if as a lady you used to menstruate for 5 days, 6 days, 5 days, 6 days, suddenly it goes now to 10 days, then there could be an issue. If you also menstruate less than 2 days, then also get to your doctor. The next thing about your menstruation is how often you menstruate. If you see your menses and it's not up to 3 weeks, 21 days, you're seeing another menstruation, go see your doctor and you consult. Let's take for example, menses on the 1st, menses again on the 15th. Get to your doctor and you consult. That is not normal. Let's take another example. Menses on the 1st, another menses by the 18th. Get to your doctor and you consult. That is not okay. Let's take another example. Menses on the 25th of a month, then by the 10th of the next month, you are menstruating again. Get to your doctor. That is not normal. If you see your menses and it takes about 40 days, you see another menses. It therefore means you stay for 30, 35, right up to 40 days before you see another menstruation. That is not also usual. The texture of your menstruation. If you menstruate and you realize that your menses comes with clots and these clots are large, please get to your doctor and you consult. If you menstruate and you realize that your menses comes in a slimy manner and it has been like that for a very long time, more than 3 months, get to your doctor and you consult. If you menstruate and you realize that your menses smells, get to your doctor and you concentrate. Painful menstruation is another thing, but generally ladies can have painful menstruation, that's menstrual cramps, and it's not something to worry about. But when those cramps are too painful such that you cannot, as a lady, even cope with it, you should get to your doctor and you consult. I wish every lady the very best. May the good Lord make it much more easier for you. Please don't forget to share, don't forget to follow. Interested in a fertility follow-up, use the number on the screen and you get to me and pay for follow-up. If you're in Bamenda, Cameroon, you can also use the number and you locate me where I am and do your consultation or checkup at affordable rates. May the good Lord be with you. Please go to YouTube right now, search Women's Health Forum. Take your time, learn how to calculate your cycle. Follow my live stream right now. May God bless you.